This is HSK9, Radio Thailand World Service, broadcasting from Bangkok for listeners in Asia and the Pacific, the Middle East and Africa, Europe and America. It is now time for our broadcast in English for listeners in Europe.
Public Relations Department of the Royal Thai Government. This is Radio Thailand News.
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีครับ
And this is Radio Thailand's Morning News Hour with me, Thani Chumpon.
And with me, Benjamin Ruchopakan.
Starting off our national news. The Ministry of Culture organizes almsgiving for 238 monks at the 237th year of Ratanakos in City under Royal Benevolence Festival. Meanwhile, the Deputy Prime Minister for Security Affairs confirms that the election will not be affected by the dissolution of the Thai Raksa Chat Party.
Looking at the global scene, the ruling Communist Party in Vietnam expels an academic for criticizing the party on Facebook.
On the business agenda, the Export-Import Bank of Thailand establishes its third office in Phnom Penh, Cambodia.
And all those top headlines and many more coming up.
National News. Brought to you by Bangkok Airways, Asia's boutique airline. Now flying direct from Bangkok to Phuket, 4 flights a week. Call 1771.
First up in national news, the Ministry of Culture has organized almsgiving for 238 monks at the 237th year of Nakos in City under Royal Benevolence Festival in dedication to the monarchs of the Chakri dynasty. Culture Minister Weerarot Puchanarat chaired the merit-making ceremony, which was joined by members of general public as well as government officials. Further religious